Tigers are mammals. Their fur is mostly orange with black strips. They are the strongest cat member. Lion is a mammal. It is called the king of the jungle. Breaking news. Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth and have distinctly massive bodies, large ears, trunk. Horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. They have 10 different muscles in their ears. They have nearly 360-degree vision and highly intelligent. Cows are big grassy-eating mammals with cloven hooves. Some of them have horns, depending on breed. Goat is a farm animal or wild animal that is about the size of a sheep, have horns and hairs in chin. Eagles are large, powerfully built birds of prey. Never eat dead meat. Can detect prey up to 2 miles. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals that live in water. They're friendly and playful. Monkeys are primates. They can live for 10 to 50 years. They have tails apes don't. They're clever. Dog is a mammal with sharp teeth, an excellent sense of smell, and a fine sense of hearing. They don't sweat like we do. Some of them can sniff out medical problems and incredible swimmers. Cat is a furry animal that has long tail and sharp claws. They have total of 18 toes. Independent. They can jump 6 times their height. Sleep for 13 to 16 hours a day. Young cat is kitten. Frogs are amphibians. They can live in water or land. It has smooth, moist skin and big, bulging eyes. They have no tail. They typically lay their eggs in the water. Group of eggs is called frog spawn. Hippos are large semi-aquatic mammals with a large barrel-shaped body, short legs and tail. They have grayish to muddy brown skin. They are considered the second largest land animal on Earth. Wolves look like large dogs. Their jaw is longer and stronger than dog, and their head is also bigger. A litter of wolves is usually 4 to 6 pups. Pups are born deaf and blind with bright blue eyes.